Okay, so the new week has been kicked off. The market is open. All right, the new week has been kicked off. The market is open. We're going to look at the economic calendar first to see what is happening on each day. Monday, no news on Monday. So our main focus would be 9:30 open. So we can trade somewhere between 9:30 and 10:30. That's my preferable trade window, with or without the news. Tuesday, August 5, 10 a.m. news. So basically what I would see is I would like to see a manipulation at 9:30. If there is no manipulation that before or after 9:30, then I will wait for 10 a.m. to open and manipulate, and then I will trade and see where we want to go from there. Wednesday, no news, 9:30 would be our main focus. Thursday, 8:30 a.m. mostly it is manipulation, so we will see 9:30 distribution hopefully, and that's when I want to trade. Friday, no news, 9:30 is one of our main focus. So pretty slow week, only 2 news days. So whatever we can do, we don't have to hold big trades. We just have to trade 30-50 points. That's it. Okay, let's go to the charts. So these imbalances have our main sell side objective, which is July's low. If we displace below this blue thing over here, my next target would be July low and possibly towards 22,500. If we do not, in fact, this was the low of this week, we can expect higher prices. Then we'll see what happens tomorrow. All right, for now I am bearish towards this low, and if we move towards this blue box over here, then I'll be bullish. What are those boxes? So let's look at the one box over here. This box over here, we mentioned it a few weeks ago. We made a really clean CB over here, a breaker, a BC over here. So this has been an important fair value gap throughout our trading because we put support on this multiple times, and now currently we tapped into it again. So if this was the low and we expect to see higher prices, I want to stay the prices above this. But if the price wants to displace through it, then I'll be looking towards July low. My first target would be 700, 750, then July low and 22,500. But if we displace above this guy, above 23,000 again, then my first target excuse me, would be this round figure over here, 200 of course, and then 250. So the main bigger ones, I mark them as thicker, and these one I mark them as less thick. August is a really slow month. There are vacations here and there, so we have to be really nimble with our approach. We cannot hold our trades for longer. We should just go in and go out, target the nearest liquidity. That is our target. So we'll see how Mondays plays out, and based on that we can anticipate what Tuesday and Wednesday will look like. Yeah, pretty simple weekly review. These are my two ideas.